Hello children, welcome back to your maths classes. Let us start today's video. Class 4, subject mathematics, chapter 4, parameter and area, lecture number 3. Children, 2 lectures we have done earlier. So this is our lecture number 3. In this lecture, what are today's subtopic? Let us see. And the subtopics are as follows. Exercise 4A and worksheet. Children, some of the questions are remain from exercise 4A. So these remained questions we are going to do in this video, and complete worksheet we will discuss. So let us start with exercise 4A. Okay children, now let us start with exercise 4A. Question number 8. A park is in the shape of two equal triangles as shown in the figure. Find the perimeter. There is a park in the shape of two equal triangles. Let us see. Here, as you can see, there are two triangles and this is the shape of a park. So you have to find out the perimeter of this triangular shape park. There are two triangles made up. So let us find out the perimeter of this triangular shape park. Perimeter of triangle is equal to 5 meter plus 4 meter plus 4 meter plus 5 meter plus 4 meter plus 4 meter. So as you all know children that the perimeter of a triangle is equal to sum of the lengths of the all sides की length का equal होता है. So here we have add all the lengths. First one we have started from 5 meter, then 4 meter, 4 meter, 5 meter, 4 meter plus 4 meter. Okay. So whenever you will add all the units, you will get the answer 26 meter. So this is the perimeter of this shape. Okay children, the next is question number 9. A path is to be made around a park whose shape is that of an equilateral triangle. Each side of the park is 35 meter. Find the perimeter of the park. A path is to be made around a park. एक पार्क के around means चारों तरफ. As I described it earlier, the term around, चारों तरफ. whose बनाना है एक path यानी कि रास्ता, whose shape is that of an equilateral triangle. और इसकी शेप कैसी? इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल. इक्विलेटरल ट्राइंगल मीन्स द विच ट्राइंगल whose मेजरमेंट आर इक्वल फ्रॉम एवरी साइड, जिसकी मेजरमेंट इक्वल होती है हर साइड से. ईच साइड ऑफ द पार्क इज 35 मीटर. और पार्क की ईच साइड की मेजरमेंट क्या है? 35 मीटर. ओके, सो यू हैव टू फाइंड द perimeter of the park. So perimeter हम कैसे find out करते हैं? Let us see. Okay, so you have to find the perimeter of the park. Perimeter of equilateral triangle is equal to 3 multiplied by length of its side. This is the formula of finding out the perimeter of equilateral triangle. 3 would be same and length of its sides is equal to 35 meter. So let us put up the values. So children, let's put up the values. 3 multiply by 35 meter. When you will do multiplication of 3 and 35, what you will get? You will get 3 5s are 15, 3 3s are 9 and 1 10. So you will get 105 meter. I don't think so there is need to explain explain in vertical form. I hope you have understood it well. Let us do next question. Yeah, here you can write additionally perimeter of park is equal to 105 meter. Otherwise there is no need to write. If you wish to write, you can go with this. Otherwise you can sum up your question here also. Next is question number 10. A carpet 6 centimeter 6 meter 20 centimeter long and 3 meter 40 centimeter broad is to be bounded by a tape around the edges. How much tape is needed to do so? A carpet 6 meter 20 centimeter long कारपेट है जिसकी लेंथ लॉन्ग मीन्स लंबा सो लंबा से बनता है लंबाई मीन्स लेंथ सो लेंथ इज 6 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड द ब्रेथ ब्रॉड से ब्रेथ बनता है इज 3 मीटर 40 सेंटीमीटर सो लेंथ इज दिस वन ब्रेथ इज दिस वन इज टू बी बाउंडेड बाय अ टेप अराउंड द एजेस और इसको एजेस से बाउंड करना है थ्रू अ टेप. How much tape is needed to do? Needed to do so. Bounded by a tape around the edges. It means चारों तरफ से आपको उसको कवर अप करना है और जब आप चारों तरफ की बात करते हो when you talk about it, so it means you are talking about the perimeter. Right, first of all, length of the carpet is equal to 6 meter 20 centimeter. Breadth is of carpet is equal to 3 meter 40 centimeter. Perimeter of carpet is equal to 2 into length plus breadth, or you can say 2 into L plus B. 2 into 6 meter 20 centimeter plus 3 meter 40 centimeter. Okay, so here we have put only measurements, the lengths. Children, whenever you will add, so you will got the final answer 8 meter 120 centimeter, that would become 19 meter 100 centimeter. Okay, let me explain to you how it became this. So 6 meter plus 20 centimeter plus 6 meter and 20 centimeter plus 3 meter 40 centimeter is equal to 9 meter 60 centimeter. Then if you will multiply 2 9s are 18 and 2 की 60 से आप जब multiply करोगे you will get 120. Now children, focus here, 120 is more than 100 or as you know that centimeter consists of only 100 centimeter. So there are 20 centimeters are extra. So here we will write 20 सेंटीमीटर एंड जो आपके 100 सेंटीमीटर्स होते हैं वो 1 मीटर बनता है. सो 1 मीटर 18 के पास शिफ्ट होगा. ओके, सो हियर फाइनली वी विल हैव द आंसर 19 मीटर 20 सेंटीमीटर. ओके, नेक्स्ट लेट अस डू द नेक्स्ट वन. वर्कशीट एक्सरसाइज वी हैव डन एंड द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन इन वर्कशीट, find the perimeter of the following figures. Yeah, there is the figure. You have to find out the perimeter of this given figure. So let us do. You know very well how to find out the perimeter of irregular figure. There is not a particular formula for irregular figures. So let us count all the sides. So here let us start with perimeter is equal to 1 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter plus 2 centimeter plus 1 centimeter. Children, suppose as you can see this side's measurement is not given. So if this side is 1 centimeter, this would automatically will be 1 centimeter. If it is 8, it is also 8. If it is 1, it is also 1. If it is 2, it is also would be 2. If it is 2, it would be 2. So by counting all the sides, we have to find out the sum, and the sum would be finally 30 centimeter. So you can say the parameter of this shape, this figure, is equal to 30 centimeter. Question would be same. Question number 1. The part is different. B part. This is the figure given over there. So you have to find out the parameter of this figure. Let us start. Parameter is equal to 4 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 3 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 6 centimeter. If it is not given, so it is automatically 4 centimeter. This is none. So let us count. 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 10, 10 plus 4 14, 14 plus 6 20. So answer is 20 centimeter. Okay children, now let us do the next part. Question number 1, part C. Yeah. There is a shape given over there. So all the sides measurements are given. 4 centimeter, 6 centimeter, 8 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 5 centimeter. Children, as you can see over there, this is not a regular shape. So irregular shapes when given in the question. So how to find out the parameter? Parameter is equal to 5 centimeter plus 4 centimeter plus 6 centimeter plus 8 centimeter plus 4 centimeter. We have started over there 5 centimeter, then 4 centimeter, then 6 centimeter, then 8 centimeter and 4 centimeter. When you will add all the sides, so 5 plus 4 is equal to 9, 9 plus 6 15, 15 plus 8 23, 23 plus 4 27. So answer would be 27 centimeter. Got it children? Next is worksheet. Is we are continuing the worksheet, and question number 2. Find the area of the following figures. इन figures का आपको area find out करना है. It is the figure given over there, so you have to find out the area. Children, when you are having irregular figures, so what you have to do, this is not particular rectangle, this is not particular square, but it is made up of many rectangles. ये कई rectangles से मिलकर बना है. So let us do segregation here, and what will we do? We will draw one line here to here and from here to here. Okay, now from here to here it is one rectangle. This is named as rectangle A. हम इसको अपने accordingly rectangle A बना लेते हैं. Here to here it is rectangle B. Okay, क्योंकि यहाँ पर इसकी boundary है. Here is the boundary, here is the boundary and here is the boundary. So this is a rectangle. This is a rectangle in itself. Let me highlight it. ये yes बेटा, यहाँ से ये यहाँ तक एक rectangle होगा हमारे पास. Okay, मेरा coloring I know बाहर जा रहा है, but it's just for giving a rough idea. This is one rectangle, and after that this is second rectangle. ये हमारा second rectangle हुआ B till here. Okay, after that what we have now, this is the third rectangle. ये हमारी third rectangle हुई. So 3 rectangles we are having basically. Now let us count the area of these rectangles. In this rectangle, if you will notice, the breadth is 8 centimeter and the length is 2 centimeter. Okay, जो 10 centimeter है, this is for the complete one. But आपकी तो rectangle यहीं पर ही finish हो रही है. So this is 8 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter. So let us write area of rectangle A is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16 square centimeter. 2 centimeter, 2 square centimeter multiplied by 8 square centimeter is equal to 16. Sorry, 2 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter is equal to 16 square centimeter. Okay. Next, let us find out the parameter of rectangle B. Area of, sorry, we are finding area. Area of rectangle B is equal to 2 multiplied by 8 is equal to 16 square centimeter. 2 centimeter multiplied by 8 centimeter is equal to 16 square centimeter. Okay, this 2 that is length and this 8 that is breadth. This 10 is of complete one, but here the rectangle is sum up, so this is 8 centimeter. This stands for 2 centimeter. Area of rectangle C means its is equal to 9 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 18 square centimeter. 9 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter is equal to 18 square centimeter. Why it is? Because जो आपने line draw की है, this is the breadth of, this is the complete length, means this is 2 centimeter, this is 2 centimeter, so it is completely 9 and the breadth is 2 centimeter. 9 multiplied by 2 is equal to 18 square centimeter. The total area of rectangle is equal to 16 square centimeter plus 16 square centimeter plus 18 square centimeter, that is completely is equal to 50 square centimeter. Okay children, next is a rope is needed to put a boundary around a playground which is 25 meter long and 15 meter broad. What will be the length of the required rope? आपको प्लेग्राउंड के चारों तरफ, अराउंड मीन्स चारों तरफ एक बाउंड्री बनानी है रोप से. ओके, सो बाउंड्री चारों तरफ बनानी है. इट मीन्स यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पैरामीटर एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द पैरामीटर ऑफ रिक्वायर्ड रोप. कि आपको रोप से जो बाउंड्री बनानी है उसमें कितनी टोटल रोप चाहिएगी, तो आपको उसका पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करना पड़ेगा प्लेग्राउंड का. ओके, तो जितना प्लेग्राउंड का पैरामीटर होगा टोटल उतनी हमें रोप चाहिए होगी. लेंथ ऑफ rope is equal to 25 meter. Breadth of rope is equal to 15 meter. Parameter of rope is equal to 2 into L plus B. It means 2 would be same, length 25, breadth 15 meter. 2 into 25 and 15, 40 meter. Now do multiplication of 2 and 40, so we will get 80. So final answer is 80 meter. You would need the rope of 80 meter. Length will be 80 meter. Next we are having here question number 4. A square shaped picture is to be framed. Its side is 29 centimeter. What length of the frame will be needed? A square shaped picture is to be framed. एक square shape की picture frame करनी है जिसकी साइड 29 सेंटीमीटर है. तो आपको कितना बड़ा फ्रेम चाहिएगा? जितनी बड़ी फोटो होगी आपको उतना ही बड़ा तो फ्रेम लगेगा ना. सो व्हाट विल वी डू? वी विल फाइंड आउट द area of the square. Let us do side of picture is equal to 29 centimeter. बेटा इसमें हम पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करेंगे, पैरामीटर ऑफ पिक्चर. ओके, 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड, दैट इज इक्वल टू 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 29 एंड द आंसर वुड बी 116 सेंटीमीटर. हम इसमें पैरामीटर ही क्यों फाइंड आउट करेंगे, वाई वुड वी नॉट फाइंड आउट द एरिया, क्योंकि जितने एरिया में पिक्चर फिक्स करने आप वो भी तो फाइंड आउट कर सकते थे ना. एज बिकॉज क्योंकि आपको फ्रेम के अंदर फिट करनी है. ओके, तो जितना बड़ा फ्रेम होगा आप उतनी ही तो उसमें पिक्चर फिट कर पाओगे ना. सॉरी, जितनी बड़ी पिक्चर होगी इतना बड़ा ही तो आप फ्रेम परचेज करोगे ना. ये तो नहीं कि आप छोटा फ्रेम परचेज करोगे उसमें बड़ी पिक्चर को फिट करोगे. नो, अब कैसे फाइंड आउट करोगे कि इसका पैरामीटर की चारों तरफ से कैसे आएगी वो पिक्चर. ओके, तो अब उसका पैरामीटर फाइंड आउट करोगे स्क्वायर का. नेक्स्ट लेट अस टेक योर होमवर्क एंड योर होमवर्क इज डू क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 पार्ट बी and question number 5 from worksheet in book, in notebook. आपको वर्कशीट से करना है क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ओनली पार्ट बी एंड क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 इन नोटबुक. नेक्स्ट लेट अस डू exercise 4b and this is the homework solution of previous lecture. Here we are discussing the homework solution of previous lecture. And the exercise 4b we are doing. Question number 1 was find the area of the figures drawn on a square paper. आपको इसका क्या करना है, एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. काउंट द नंबर ऑफ स्क्वायर्स enclosed by each figure and find its area taking the area of each square as 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. ओके, आपको एक स्क्वायर को 1 स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर काउंट करके टोटल एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है. सो लेट अस सी द शेप. हियर इज द शेप. नाउ लेट अस काउंट द ब्लॉक्स. लेट अस काउंट द स्क्वायर्स. 1 2 3 4 5 rows and columns. 1 2 3 4 5. It means 25. 5 multiply by 5. In the previous video I explained to you multiply row by column, so you would get to know the number of boxes. 5 multiplied by 5, 25. So area is equal to 1 multiplied by 25 is equal to 25 square centimeter, and one block is 1 square of centimeter. So 1 square centimeter multiplied by 25 is equal to 25 square centimeter. Next figure is this one. Now let us count the blocks. 1 2 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So area is equal to 12 square centimeter. In this figure 1 2 3 4, it means area is equal to 4 square centimeter. Next is question number 2. Find the area of square whose side is 15 किलोमीटर. आपको स्क्वायर का एरिया फाइंड आउट करना है जिसकी साइड है 15 किलोमीटर. सो व्हाट इज द फॉर्मूला ऑफ फाइंडिंग एरिया? लेट अस सी द ईच साइड इज इक्वल टू 15 किलोमीटर and area of square is equal to side multiply by side. Here you can write 15 multiply by 15. Answer would be 225 square kilometer. Square kilometer. 15 kilometer multiply by 15 kilometer would be 225 square kilometer. Okay children, now let us do the next question. Question number 3. Find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are C. Part C 2.8 meter and 14 meter. Means the length is 2.8 meter and the breadth is 14 meter. So we have to find out the area of rectangle. First of all we will write length and breadth. So length of rectangle is equal to 2.8 meter. Breadth of rectangle is equal to 14 meter. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. You all know the formula for calculating area of rectangle, that is length multiplied by breadth. Let us put up the values. Length is equal to 2.8 meter, breadth 14 meter. Now let us do multiply. 2.8 multiply by 14. We have to calculate the table, count the table. 14 8s are 112. So here we will write 2 for 112 and 11 carry. 14 2s are 28. 28 and 11 is equal to 39. So here in question the decimal is given after one number. So in answer we would put the same. So answer would be 39.2 square meter. Okay, you can write it SQ in short form. Next is find the area of rectangle whose length and breadth are as follow: 16 meter and 6 meter. Length of rectangle is equal to 16 meter. Breadth of rectangle is equal to 6 meter. Area of rectangle is equal to length multiplied by breadth. 16 multiplied by 6. 16 6 are 96. 96 square meter. 16 meter multiplied by 6 meter is equal to 96 square meter. And here we are doing question number 4, last one. Find the missing value. Part C, dash centimeter multiplied by dash is equal to 25 square centimeter. Okay children, here you have to write the measurement. Dash centimeters multiplied by dash centimeter is equal to 25 square centimeters. It means you have to write the missing value. Which two values you would multiply to get the answer 25 square centimeter? So here you can multiply 5 multiply by 5, because except it no one gives us result 25 और किसी भी दो नंबर की मल्टीप्लिकेशन 25 नहीं होगी. Next is dash meter multiplied by 3 meter is equal to 12 square meters. So by which number we should multiply 3 to get 12? We should multiply by 4. So 4 meter multiplied by 3 meter is equal to 12 square meters. So children, here I am done. I hope you have understood the complete lecture. Still, if you have any confusion or any query, you can ask me in the online classes. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.